Good afternoon to each and everyone, and especially to you, sir. And Assalamu alaikum jamian wa barakatuhu. This video presentation is all about the learning about the previous topic, which is the set, the ellipsis, the roster notation, set builder notation, subset, proper subset, Cartesian product, relation as a subset, the language of relation and functions, the circle relation, and the last day about the how to solve the subset or the proper subset and their formula. Okay, from the set, the first topic is the set. I have learned from this topic all about the set. It is the collection that define the object. Ang set daw is ito yung object or numbers that can be defined in the problem or the solution. And next, the ellipsis. Ellipsis is a plane curve surrounding two focal points such that all points on the curve sum of two distant the focal points is a constant. Ang tinatawag na ellipsis, ito yung plane curve. Kumbaga meron siyang two focal in the ellipsis. At meron siyang two distance and two points, which is the ellipsis. Yun ang tinatawag na ellipsis. Okay, next, the roster notation. Roster notation is a way to write or display a set. Ang roster notation, ito yung paano mo nalaman ko dito or natutunan ko dito kung paano ginamit or paano isi-set yung tinatawag na roster notation. Next topic is the set builder notation. I have learned from this topic is all about to describe or defines the elements of the set instead of listing the elements. Natutunan ko dito sa set builder notation kung paano mag-list ng elements, paano mag-arrange ng elements sa isang order pairs. And next, the subset. Nalaman ko dito from the subset lecture, nalaman ko from example of from user is yung kung anong meron kay A is dapat meron din dun kay B. Kumbaga dun sa two wives, kung ano ang meron kay first wife, dapat meron din doon kay second wife. Kumbaga kung halimbawa sa letter A, dapat meron din doon kay letter B. Kung anong makikita mo kay letter B, makikita mo rin doon kay letter B. Yun ang tinatawag na subset. Okay, next, the proper subset. I have learned from the subset is to how to proper or how to identify the letter from letter A to subset of letter B. Proper subset is the proper subset of A is letter B. Okay, next, the Cartesian product. Cartesian product of A and B, it means the set of ordered pair is AB. Kumbaga, ang Cartesian product, dito natin malalaman kung ano yung mga ordered pairs, kung ano yung mga tinatawag na ordered pairs na makikita sa Cartesian product. Next, the relation as a subset. I have learned about the relation as a subset is the relation is a subset of all possible ordered pair, where the first element of each ordered pair. Ang formula nito is x minus y over 2 is an integer. Dapat ang result nito is integer. Dapat natin tandaan yung formula, which is the x minus y over 2. Okay, next, the language of a relations and functions. A function is a relation in which inputs has only one output. in the relation y is a function of x. Pag sinabi nating language of relations and function, makikita natin yung relation niya dun kay y at makikita natin yung function niya dun kay x. The relation ng y is, ang function ng y is x. We can say that all functions are relations, but not all relations are function. From Sir said, pag sinabi nating functions, hindi na uulit ang value ni x sa ordered pair. It means, pag sinabi natin daw function, yung x is hindi na siya maulit or hindi na makikita yung value niya kay x sa ibang ordered pair. Next, the circle relations. Dito naman dapat yung ordered pair natin, ang result is equal to 1. Natutunan ko dito naman is yung dapat yung result ng answer natin is magi-equal siya sa 1. Hindi siya magi-equal sa negative 1, hindi siya magi-equal ng 0, basta ang equal na answer is 1 lamang. Okay, the formula naman dito, the circle relation is x squared plus y squared equal 1. Okay, next, the integers. Pag sinabi nating integers are set of real numbers from negative infinity 0 to positive infinity. Pag sinabi nating integers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. So on. And pag makikita natin ang decimal point, hindi siya integers. Hindi integers ang may decimal point. Pag may point, hindi yun ang tinatawag na integers.